Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make gradient background in Canva. So generally if you go to elements and type here gradient, here you will see a lot of gradients are available here, but most of them are paid, and the ones which are free, they you cannot do changes as you want, such as changing colors and all. But I have solution for this problem. So for that, in the element section we need to type in the search bar @ and type contributor Danny and just hit enter. Now here you can see a lot of gradient backgrounds are available here which you can use. Let's say I use this one. I can just drag it into my canvas and let me just resize it. Okay, and if you want to change the color, select the background and choose the color you want. I want pink here, and the second color I want is this one. Okay, and not only that, if you want to insert objects like this, you can also do that. So let's suppose I want to insert this one. I can just drag it on my canvas. Here you can also do the same things with this object. Like here I want to change the color, so I can just choose black, and the second color is going to be white, just like this. And yeah, this is how you can add gradient to your Canva.